Let's start with the first method. Method 1. Use TikTok in your browser. Open your favorite web browser, for example, Google Chrome. In the address bar, type www.tiktok.com and press Enter. Once the homepage loads, click Login in the top right corner and sign into your account. After logging in, you can scroll through your feed, watch videos, check profiles, and interact just like you would on your phone. Method 2. Use Mobile View in Chrome. If you want TikTok to look like the mobile version, you can switch to Mobile View. Click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome. Go to More Tools, then click Developer Tools. A panel will open on the side. At the top left of that panel, click the Toggle Device Toolbar icon. Now the website will switch to a mobile layout so you can see how TikTok looks on a phone. To switch back, click the toggle icon again and close the developer panel. Method 3. Install TikTok from Microsoft Store. Another way to use TikTok on PC or laptop is by installing the official app. Click the Start menu and open the Microsoft Store. In the search bar, type TikTok. When it appears, click on it and select Install. Once the installation is complete, open the app and log in. You'll now have a fully functional TikTok app running directly on your laptop or PC. And that's it, 3 easy ways to use TikTok on your laptop. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for future updates. Thanks for watching.